Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to sew a pair of pajama bottoms as part of a footy pajama ensemble. I also have a pattern and tutorial video for sewing the pajama top. You can go to my website for information on that as well. Okay, so before we begin these pajama bottoms, you'll need to go to my website, shelleywood.com, to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown here. Lay one piece on top of another, keeping right sides or pretty sides together. Sew these two pieces together in what you think of as the tummy area. Press this seam open. Follow these directions for all four pieces. Lay one sewn piece on top of the other, again keeping your right sides facing one another. Sew down one outseam, but do not sew the toe. There's a slight angle where the toe begins, so that should help you to determine where to stop sewing. Open the pajama bottoms up like you see here, and press that outseam flat. Create a casing at the top of the pajama bottoms by folding once with a 1/4 inch fold, and then a second time with a 1/2 inch fold. Now you're going to sew along the inner edge of this casing. Measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut it to fit with about a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic and send the elastic through the casing with the safety pin, and then pin the elastic in place. So I push that safety pin through, use straight pins to hold the elastic in place, removing the safety pin. Make sure your straight pins penetrate the elastic on both sides of the garment. Fold the garment in half, bringing the two safety pins together. And stitch all around the edges of the garment, going over the elastic carefully several times. You're going to sew from one end of the casing to the other. Remove the straight pins and clip your seam. Invert the pajama bottoms. And now you're ready to try them on your doll. She looks so sweet, those little footy pajamas. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos and my free patterns, please share them on social media. It actually helps my website grow when you help spread the word.